Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to delete your history in Opera. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your history in Opera. This video is very useful if you want to, of course, delete your history, or if you're hiding something. Just joking. If you don't want the search icon or maybe your history to keep on searching your stuff that you used to search, well, this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do when deleting your history in Opera is open up your Opera. Once you open up your Opera, click on the three horizontal lines on the top right here. There you go. Then just go down, scroll down until you see go to full browser settings. After you are here, you'll need to go to privacy and security right here. Okay, just click this one. There you go. And then click on delete browser data. And then there you go. So you can choose time range. You choose 7 days, 4 weeks ago, all the time. So 4 weeks is equivalent to 1 month. So let's just change it to 7 days and then click on delete data. There you go, guys. And a little bit of tip for you guys, you can also make it an advanced mode in which you will choose which one to delete right here. So see right here, you can also delete the autofill from data. So when you search something, it doesn't autofill from you or site setting or hosted app. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video and after that just click on delete. So there you go, guys. If you guys like the video, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.